Welcome back to my channel. Holy smokes, it's been so long since I've sat down and filmed any type of video, but today's video is a makeup tutorial, and I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in I couldn't tell you how long. But we really went there today. We went there with today's look. We used the James Charles palette and we created this beautiful, colorful look I'm so obsessed with. Like, what? It's very, very bold, but I'm honestly in love with how it turned out. I definitely had some struggles along the way. You'll see as you continue to watch because it's been so long since I've really beat this face. So anyways, if you guys would like to see how to get this face right here, then you should just keep on watching, okay? Whoa guys, let's see if I even know how to do this anymore. I'm so excited to film this look for you guys. I played around with it yesterday so I could prepare for today, and hopefully it'll turn out as good as it did yesterday. But I only did one eye, so let's see if we can attempt to do two eyes and make it look cute. So I've already primed and set my eyelids, and today's look is going to be from the James Charles palette. Ah, this palette is the most talked about palette right now, I swear to God. Like, everywhere on Instagram you have so many different types of looks with this palette, but this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So today's look is going to be colorful, and I can't wait because I've never done a very colorful look ever. Usually I'm just neutral, so I'm gonna show you guys what I create. So let's get started. First step is I'm going in with my Morphe B77 brush. This is like a packing brush, and I'm going to be packing, oh my god, what shade am I gonna be packing? Hold on one moment. This color Playground right there. I'm gonna pack that all over my lid. Yesterday when I was doing this look, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do blue, and then I'm going to blend it out with this hot pink shade in this palette so I can create like a cotton candy look, you know? Well, when I started blending the pink with the blue, it turned into like this beautiful purple, deep purple shade, and I was like, alright, I guess that works too. So that's how I created this look. I was going for more of a cotton candy look, and this is what we got. So just pack this blue onto the lid when it's nice and pigmented, and then you can just kind of like buff it out a little bit with this brush. Just bring it into the crease. It's okay for all the mess right now because we shall clean it up. These freaking shadows though are amazing. They're so pigmented and they blend like a dream. And the amazing thing about these shadows is like there's literally hardly any fallout with it. James literally killed it with this palette. Alright, and that's the look. Let's leave it as that. Just kidding. That would be nuts, right? Okay, so the next step is, after you have that nice and packed on, you want to go in with the blending brush. I'm using this Wet n Wild blending brush, and we're going to be going in with this hot pink shade, and it's called Skip. And we are going to blend this all into the crease to help buff out that blue shade, okay? So let's just do a little speed mode real quick so we can just hurry up and blend, okay? And you want to bring this pink shade all the way into the inner corner and all the way to the V. Create like a V shape, and then you'll see that the way that purple and blue, or the pink and blue mix, it creates like this deep purple action going on, which I did not expect when I was doing this look yesterday, but it turned out really nice. So we're looking a little crazy right now. I'm not gonna lie, looks like I don't know what I'm doing. But it's gonna come together. We just have to wait for the process to happen. So now we need to cut this crease so we can clean it up, make it look sharp. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. This look though requires quite a bit of blending. You just gotta keep blending these colors together so it doesn't look so harsh. like right here. I'm having issues though. It's not blending right there in the inner corner for some reason. But since I'm going to cut it, hopefully that will be covered up and it's gonna look nice. So go ahead and cut it. I'm going to go in with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer. Hopefully this is gonna go smoothly for us so we can cut this crease. You're gonna do a half cut crease. That's what I'm gonna do. So here we go. Wow, see what I mean when you cut the crease, how much more cleaner it looks. That looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna use this shade Hello right here, this beautiful sparkly blue, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Oh, that shade is so beautiful. Oh my god, I absolutely live for that shade. So now we need to blend the outer corner with that half cut crease. Next, I'm going in with my E17 brush with this shade Single, this light purple, and I'm going to buff these shades in together so it's not so harsh. Okay, so we're having issues on the outer corner. For some reason, it's not blending. So I'm just gonna hurry up and figure this out. It doesn't look terrible, but right here, it's just not blending with this blue, so I'm just gonna apply some of this blue back onto the outer corner. Do you guys see that big gap right there? Something right there is causing me big issues. It's not okay. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to get it to blend, but it's trying me right now. It is trying me. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it as is and just not mess with it. We're just gonna have a little mess up right there. This eye will perfect, so it's okay. There's always one good eye and there's always a bad eye. So that is the blendedness. So you just literally just keep blending, like keep adding the pink, keep adding the blue to create this purple. You can add that light purple, but just keep blending. That's all you gotta do. When in doubt, just keep on blending. And that's what I'm doing because these colors are very bright and you don't want no harsh lines. Too harsh anyways. You want that cut crease right there. You want that. But that is the whole eye. I just need to clean it up, add my lower lash line and some falsies, and this looks gonna look so nice. So before we waste more time, I'm gonna go and do this other eye off camera along with my brows so we can speed this up, you know? I'll see you guys in just one moment, but it'll probably be like a few hours for me. No, surely not a few hours, but I'll be right back, okay? Oh my goodness, guys, I am finally back, and these are the eyeballs. How do they look? I feel like they turned out so good, but literally me and lashes, we don't work well. And then every time I clean up my edges, because my eyeballs are different shaped, I can never get them even either. But I think we're looking pretty good. So now we shall move on to the face to finish off this look. I have not done something this crazy in a long time. I've never played with colors, so I am feeling this so much, and I'm just glad I got these lashes on, but that's a whole nother story. Today's primer, I'm going to be using One Heck of a Blot primer by Soap & Glory. I've never used this primer. This is my first time trying it, but I watched Casey Holmes' video and she said this is like the best drugstore primer for oily skin. I have pretty oily skin nowadays and I don't know what is going on, but I'm not appreciating it. I've been having breakouts on my forehead and my chin like crazy, and my whole T-zone is just a mess. But what have you guys been up to? It's been so long since I have filmed a makeup video. Oh my god, it's been so long. I like the way this primer feels on the skin. It has like a tacky feel to it. So today's foundation, I'm going to be going in with this number 7 Lift Illuminate foundation. I haven't worn this foundation in so long, and to be honest, I don't really have any foundation that is my shade right now because I cannot be bothered with finding my right shade. I can never figure it out, ever. Does it match pretty well? Oh, yeah, I feel like it does. I guess I should give you guys an update on where I've been, what I've been doing with my life over here. I just haven't had any ideas on what to do and what to film. I am still in school. This week we did some peels and we worked with high frequency, and what else did we do? Oh, LED lighting. But I've been enjoying school and I just can't wait to actually become an esthetician so I can just treat everybody and help them out with their skin. Alrighty guys, foundation is on. I'm looking super dewy. Holy smokes, I forgot how dewy this foundation was. I got another new product to use. Today I'm going to be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been wanting to try this, so today's the day. I got the shade in Porcelain. I heard good things about this. There's so many new concealers coming out right now. I just want them all. I want the new GRWM one, I want the Huda Beauty one, I want the Morphe one, like I want them all. Let's blend her out and see what it looks like. Blends easy. I think it's pretty. Oh shoot, it's pretty bright. So that is the concealer. How's it look? Does it look pretty good? It's definitely creasing, but I have bad creases, so let's see why. I'm going to be going in with my Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Matte About It powder. I'm just going to set everywhere where I place that concealer. The concealer is set. I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm just gonna go in with my Better Skin powder in Warm Nude. I'm gonna dust this all over my face. All right, now we need to bronze this face. I recently got this big old Smashbox face palette from my friend for Christmas. So I'm gonna use some of this bronzer in here. I think I'm gonna go for this one. No, I'm gonna go for that one. This more cool tone one. I'm going to use my Morphe MB41. Why is that looking choppy on the camera? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I'm gonna go in with the butter bronzer and kind of help blend the rest of this bronzer and maybe warm up my face a little bit because I am not liking the way that's looking over here. I like went way too high with it. I look crazy on the camera. I don't know why. Look at that. It's like all over the place. I need to clean that up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is the camera making me look crazy right now? I don't know how to contour this nose, so I just literally put bronzer all over it. Alright y'all, I gotta clean up this mess. I'm gonna go back in with this Pretty Vulgar Matte About It powder and clean this mess up because it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Uh-oh. We're having a catastrophe right now. We need help. Call the makeup gods because this girl needs help. I think it does look crazy, guys. Trying to blend it out. I think it's looking a little better. Maybe we just need to add our blush and highlighter in our lower lash line and just, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I look extra sculpted, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. For highlighter today, I'm gonna go in with the Mary Luminizer. I haven't worn this highlighter in so long, so hopefully it will look good on my skin. This highlighter is so smooth. Oh my god, it just looks like butter on the skin. That bronzer, oh my god, is it really that harsh, guys? I think it is. I'm never using that again. No way. I feel like in person it really doesn't look that bad, but on camera it looks horrific, so I'm sorry guys. We're gonna go in with this Milani one in Luminoso. It's a little more pink. So we're just gonna work on the lower lash line since the face is basically done. So let's get into the lower lash line. I'm gonna just start out with this blue again, right there, into the lower lash line. First, I'm bringing the shade all the way into the inner corner too. Now, to get that purple color, I'm going with that hot pink shade on the same brush and just blend that in with the blue. You just gotta keep playing with the colors. Go back and forth until you're happy with the color. Oh boy. So now just go in with a bigger brush, kind of like a little more fluffier brush like this one. That was a one I got my BoxyCharm this little pencil brush. It's friggin' bomb. But now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 321, and it's more fluffy, and I'm going to go in with that hot pink shade and like just go underneath that shade, trying to get that pink to actually show. That's sick! Oh my god, I love it! It looks so cool. Going in with that blue shade, and we're gonna try packing it onto the waterline. Here you go. That didn't work. Okay, trial and error, trial and error. Backtrack, we're not gonna put that shade, try to put that shade on there. We're gonna go in with this bright blue Velvet Smooth eyeliner from Koki. I wish it was more like, not so cobalt blue. I wish it was more baby blue, like the shadow. So that sucks, but I'm gonna do just a light wash of this. I'm gonna kind of blend this out a little, try to blend it out. Okay, how's that look? I feel like that looks pretty decent. I wish it was more pop, like a pop, like the top lid, but I think that looks fairly well. So I'm gonna go complete the other eye off camera, add my bottom mascara, and then we're gonna be almost complete. All right, the eyes are complete. Oh my god, so the blue did not work as well as I wanted to, but I think it's still nice. So now for the lips, I'm just gonna go for a nude because we got a whole lot going on with the eyeballs, like holy smokes. So I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color Beeper. Now I'm gonna go in with this Jeffree Mini Liquid Lipstick in the color Celebrity. I'm gonna add this Maybelline Barely Bloomed lipstick to like the center of it, and I'm just gonna tap that on there and hope it lightens up. Is it lightening it? Set the face one time, and then we are all done. Well guys, this is the completed look. I look overexposed. I don't know if it's the camera or if it's my lighting. I don't know what it is, but it looks so overexposed and I look like a fool on camera, and I don't like it, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I think I did pretty well for not doing something so crazy in a very long time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more looks with the James Charles palette, then you should give me a thumbs up or comment down below and let me know what you're wanting to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.
What up, my brother video?
I'm about done. I'm trying to film my outro and intro.
What up? Yo, yo, yo. Check out my girl on YouTube. Subscribe and like.
Yeah, baby. Tell 'em, baby. Tell 'em.